Hi everyone.
Hi.
Today is Australia Day and it's a public holiday for us, and happy Australia Day to everybody.
Yeah, and welcome back to the channel.
Yeah.
Thank you for those people that have subscribed, and really appreciate you following us along on our little journey.
Yeah, it's been good.
Yeah. So.
Anyway, we've received this parcel in the mail. It's sunscreen for our front window. But we've been waiting for a while, haven't we?
Yeah, we've purchased them from Snap Shades, free delivery, and they cost about $150. We're yet to find really too much information as to the quality and so forth, but we thought we'll give them a go because the Sprinter's got quite
big
a lot.
windows.
Yeah, big windows.
Yeah,
So,
let's hope they're good for the money.
Yeah, true. True. We'll better
Shall
find
I
out.
open?
You open away.
This is usually your job.
Yeah.
But I'm not at work for a change.
Yeah, she's a gorgeous day for Australia Day, hey?
It's lovely days. Oh, they're quite,
It's in a bag.
You take that.
In there.
Oh wow, they look quite good.
Oh wow.
Wow, they're pretty good. Pretty good.
It's a big one to that.
It's big, isn't it?
It's huge. Oh well, we'll set the camera up, we'll install it onto the front window.
Well, you sit in your seat, Pauline, and I'll sit here and we'll put it up.
Okay.
It's actually really good.
Solid, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh wow. Oh my lock, but that might be alright. Oh wow. And it's just sitting there.
That looks pretty good, doesn't it?
Yeah, and it's actually got a nice grey interface there. Yeah, a little bit there, but that's not too bad. Yeah, I'm happy with that. We'll have to see how. Already you feel the difference.
Yeah, you can feel the difference.
Already with the sun
Yeah.
coming in that front window.
It's quite hot out there.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Thumbs up. Hi everyone.
Hi.
We're going to give you a little sneak peek of our future video. We've just arrived. We'll let you in on a little secret. What do you think it is, Karen?
I don't know.
I got to open it this time.
You did.
I did. It's taped in. I suppose it would have to. And these breaking, eh? Yeah. Look at that.
Yeah, they look alright.
There's that, aren't they? Tinted windows. 2 of. Keep you posted. Comes with a fly screen as well. Real fine. No insects getting through that, is there? Yeah, wow. Pretty awesome. Anyway, that's it for today. See you on the next one.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.